Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to reply to Outlook email. We'll learn how to reply to the original email along with the attachments. So if you just want to send an email, just reply, then you can do this. And if you want to reply to the original email with the attachments, with the multiple attachments, then also you can do this. Here you can see we have one activity that is called reply to Outlook mail message in UiPath. So I'm going to pick one real-time scenario which is used in the companies as well. So I'm going to show you here. So first, let me show you in Outlook. So here you can see on daily basis we are running our bot, and daily basis we get an email from our client to run that bot. Let's say sometime you can get us this type of work. So on daily basis you will get an email from your client or manager about the report or something. So what you have to do, you have to run your bot, check that email, and then you can just reply to that email with the body message like bot has completed this part successfully, or bot has completed this much of transactions. And second thing, if you want to attach any report, so let's say you know that there are lots of transaction the bot will process, and if you want to generate an output and send that output as attachments to that email. So here you can see I have received an email from this email ID. So you can understand this is your manager email ID or client email ID. And if you want to reply back to this email ID, the sender email, with the help of bot automatically, so you know that you will have a template in the body message. So you just click on the reply and the reply all. So I will tell you how can we use this reply and reply all. So what is the use of this reply and reply all? So if we'll click on this reply, what will happen? Only email will be sent to sender only, not CC and BCC. You can see here in the subject you will get RE, right? It means this is for the reply, and the same subject will be added to here, and then there will be a template you will write in your bot like hello, bot has processed. You can put the a variable to show here the count, let's say thousands count something. Bot has processed thousands report today, please see attached output report, and you will write here thanks robotics team. So here you can see daily basis you are getting an email from your client, and after running the bot, successfully completing the bot, you will just send an email, and this will be a template, and you will just change this count, and then you will send an attachment here. So attachments will be your output report. So every time bot will run and export all this output to Excel file, and you will, not you but bot will attach that report and send back to the client. So you can do this here. I will tell you this scenario. Second thing, let me cut this. Here we have reply all. So if we click on reply all, so if we have the CC and BCC email IDs, this will be available here, and then you can just add this message. So here you can see we do not require to put to or CC and BCC or subject. We just need to pass our body message and the attachments, right? So here UiPath has converted this features into in UiPath, and there is activity reply to Outlook mail message, right? So we'll use that, and then I will show you. First I will show you with the just a body message, and then I will show you how can we attach output report to that email and send that email to client, right? Now I'm going to show you here in UiPath Studio with the help of reply Outlook mail message. Okay, so what you will have to do, every time when bot will run, first it will go and check email where the sender equal to your client name or the top one email. So you can put the condition there, you know how to do that. If you don't know all about all these things, you can go through my previous video and you can learn how to send the attachment, how to apply filter. You can learn there. Now here, first we have to get email, so we'll write here get Outlook mail message, and I'm going to use inbox, and you can check here only 100 message, because you know that when bot will run, you will get one email from your client, then the bot will run on the scheduled time, and you know that that email will be 100 mode, right? So bot will just go and check the first 100 mail message. So I'm going to take here 1 and take the variable emails. Now for each one by one email will put in the loop, and then change to system.net.mail message. Now we know that we just have only one email, so we are just going to use reply to Outlook mail message. Now you can see here in the properties, in the input we have to pass mail message and the reply all display name, and here input will be a body message. You can see we are not passing subject, we are just passing here the only mail variable which we are getting from here, and then body, and then if you want to attach file, you can attach here. Now I'm just going to show you with just a body message. So here we'll write email, because we are replying to email which we are getting from this activity. So we'll get the first top 100 mail message, so it will go and come to here, and then in the body message we just have to write our the hard-coded value, the template, which will be written in the config file or in the database configuration file, or you can just put here hard-coded value in this activity. Now here it shows that string, but in the reply to Outlook mail message activity you cannot put just as a string. Here you have to write in a HTML. So I'm just going to show you here. Let's say if I'm just passing our body message here, hello, let me check. Okay, so I have written here like this: hello, bot has processed 1000 count today, please see. And now I am going to press OK, and I'm going to just run this. So you know what will happen here, it will send this email without format. Let me run, Control F5. Okay, so we got this email. So sending email back to this again, and it is showing like this because there is no format here. As I told you that it will just take email format in a HTML, so we'll have to write HTML code in this body message. So now you can understand here that we can send back to the sender again with our body message. Now here in the body display, you have to add one paragraph here. So you can do one thing, you can write here p, one more p, and just take like this, and after this again we need one break. So we'll take one paragraph, and then we need one break line. So I'm going to put here br tag, and now just press OK. Now here in the properties you can see we have this option reply all display name. So if we'll check this, then it will go and check for this inbox mail here, and if it has any CC email IDs and BCC, then while sending email back to the client it will check for the CC and BCC, and if it has, then it will reply to all this recipient, right? If you just want to send an email to sender, you can leave it as it is. It means do not check this. So if you just check this, it will work as a reply all. Now uncheck this and let me run this again. So first let me delete this, and we'll try with the same email here, control F5. So currently I cannot use any other email ID here. I don't have more than one or two. I cannot use these email IDs. Okay, now you can see it has the formatting here. Now if you want to send an attachment, so how to attach any Excel file like report to email, you just have to click the attach files here, or here just click on that, go to the properties, and you can see here attachment display name collection. You can just click on this, and here you just have to press one time. It will show you in string, and then in the value you have to pass the file name which you want to send as attachment. Now you know that if you are working on a project, you will be getting a variable here, you will be getting config dictionary variable, something you will have to pass here. Currently I have one file, let me show you, and this one I want to attach this file, this output Excel file. So I will just go here, and in the double quotation I will pass this. Why I'm just going to pass here this in the double quotation Excel file name? Because this file name, this report is in my project folder, so that's why I'm not passing any folder. It will automatically take the folder name, right? And if your output file is in any folder here, if inside this folder, then you have to pass here email / transactions.xlsx. Now we are attaching this transactions.xls file to the email, so we are replying to the client with the attachments. So we can do here, let me run this, and you will see here email. Let me just delete this. So again it will go and check for the unread mail message first, and then it will reply with the body message with the attachments, right? So let me open here and let me run this. Now you will see we'll be getting email with the attachments. Okay, now you can see email has been sent, and you can see the subject is RE. It means we are replying, we are not sending email just, right? And here's the attachments. So every time your bot will run and check for the email and send the attachment, it means as a output report to the client. So this is a real-time scenario. I worked on this also. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Then please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe, and please press the bell icon so that you can get my latest video notification. And if you have any question, you can comment on video. Thank you.